Administering the Basic Phonics Skills Test. Make sure you have a copy of the recording sheet. You can show your student the paper copy of the letters and words, or you can show them the letters and words that exist in the slideshow. When giving the test, it's important that you place the recording sheet in such a way that students cannot watch you write down their answers. As students respond, give them neutral feedback by complimenting them on their effort rather than giving hints as to whether they were right or wrong. At no time should you give students the answer, since this entails teaching the test and limits its future usefulness. Introduce the assessment. Say, I'm going to have you tell me the sounds of some letters and read some words. I can't give you any help because I need to see what you can do by yourself. This will help me decide what I need to teach you. Don't worry if you can't read some of the words. Say, tell me the sound of each of these letters. Record their responses as directed. Note distorted sounds, for example, f for f, but still count them as correct. After covering all of the consonant sounds, consider skipping their names if 10 or more sounds were correct, but ask the names of any consonants that were missed. For short vowels, say, tell me the sounds of these letters. If the students give you the name of the letter, ask them if they know another sound. The short vowel sounds are the ones you hear at the beginning of at, ed, in, on, and up. For word reading, say, read these words. Consider stopping when the total number correct on 2 consecutive rows is 0 to 1, or after 9 to 10 errors. Record incorrect answers above the words as described on the response sheet. As you analyze the results of the BPST, think about which skills the student needs to develop and which sounds or combinations need to be taught or retaught. Keep in mind that the BPST does not necessarily reflect the order of sounds taught in your reading program. Examine polysyllabic errors to see if there are any legitimate pronunciations, such as mom-ent for moment. In order to be legitimate, all letters in the two versions have to match or line up. Students may mispronounce polysyllabic words because they've never heard of them before, especially multilingual language learners. Students with many legitimate polysyllabic word reading errors actually need vocabulary development rather than more decoding instruction.